Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact BCSC teachers on an e-learning day. So you have a couple of ways that you can contact teachers on an e-learning day. One of the best ways you can contact teachers is by using our learning management system, eLearning, which is the place where all of your e-learning day lessons will be. To get to eLearning, first you'll need to go to the BCSC website, which is bcscschools.org. Once you get to the BCSC website, there's two ways you can get to eLearning from the website. The first way is to scroll just below the video where there's several icons listed. These are our most visited websites. Here you'll see eLearning. If you click the eLearning icon, you'll be taken to the eLearning sign-on screen. The other option is to click Academics and eLearning, which will also take you to the sign-on screen, where you will sign in using your login credentials. For elementary students, their password on eLearning is their school ID number plus BCSC. For secondary students, they create your own passwords. If you have any difficulty logging on to eLearning, you can call the BCSC eLearning hotline and we can help reset the account and make sure you're able to log in. If you have any questions about signing in, you can also contact the hotline and we are happy to help. Once you're signed on to eLearning, you'll either be taken to this BCSC home screen or your school's page. To get to your eLearning e-learning assignments, you'll click on Courses. This is where all of your courses are and where your work for the day will be posted. If you don't see all of your courses here, this is only just a short list of your most frequently used courses. Typically, especially if you're a secondary student, you have more than 5 courses on your schedule. To see all of your classes, you can click All Courses, or you can click the Home tab. The Home tab will show you a card for all of your courses. And all of your courses will be shown. If you click the card, it will take you to your course. To send a message on eLearning, this is the best way to contact your teacher on an e-learning day and ask questions or get help if you need it. Beside your profile picture on eLearning, there's a message icon. This is where you can continue existing messages or start a new conversation. To start a new conversation with the teacher, click New. Start typing your teacher's name, and your teacher will show up. Then you can start your message. I can continue to type. I can also add emojis if I would like. I can type in another teacher's name to send a message to more than one teacher, and I can add attachments. If I want to add an attachment, it's going to pull files from my computer that I have saved. So if I want to send maybe my e-learning assignment to my teacher through a message, I can save it on my device and attach it here. Whenever I'm finished composing my message, I'll click Send. To continue the message with my teacher, I'll just start typing. If my teacher responds, I'll see notification icon here, or I can go through and see any other messages that I need. To view all of my messages, I'll click All Messages. And this is where I can see any messages I need to respond to.